everyone, a very warm welcome to Look Gorgeous. The look is inspired by Urvashi Rautela from the new upcoming movie Hate Story 4, and I really love the look. I really love these gold glamorous eyes with the beautiful glossy kind of nude lips. I hope you guys like it too, and if in case you did so, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, stay connected with me on my social media. You can also buy some affordable makeup products in India from my Instagram store. All links and details are down there in the description box below, and to know how I created this look, please keep on watching the video.
Because Urvashi's face is just glowing, so we are looking for that perfect base so that skin looks glowing from within. So first I have applied this Jhelum facial spray, which just helps in making the skin really beautiful from within, and then Look Gorgeous Gold Elixir, which is my product, and it just helps in giving a very smooth, flawless skin, so that makeup glides on very smoothly and it will act as a primer as well. After that, I'm just applying the Swiss Beauty Glow Boost Primer. It has little fine shimmers in it, which will help in giving my face very beautiful dewy kind of a look after I apply my makeup. So after that, I am applying orange corrector from Miss Claire on the dark spots of my face, like wherever I have pigmentation. And then I'm using my beauty blender to blend the orange corrector very well on the areas wherever I have applied it, and using the beauty blender damp, of course, and then using my powder brush to set up this orange corrector. Very little powder is the key to this, and this way orange corrector will not mix with your foundation. I have then taken my favorite foundation, which is Swiss Beauty Mousse, and then I'm mixing some Glow Boost primer in it as well. Then I'm applying it all over my face, kind of dotting and applying it in stripes all over my face, whatever is left on the back of my hand, just applying that on my neck using a damp beauty blender again. First, dip your beauty blender in water, then squeeze out the excess, and then use the beauty blender, just kind of bouncing motion on your face, and you will get a beautiful application and even finish of foundation on your face. Then I'm using this Artistry 2 shades lighter concealer than my skin tone under my eyes in triangular shapes, inverted triangles, and then on the middle part of my face wherever light falls on my face, basically for doing the matte highlighting thing. And after that, I'm gonna sculpt up my face as well, because she has beautiful face and it is sculpted from within kind of look. So I am trying to achieve that. I'm applying a little bit of contour on the sides of my face, on my jawline, a little bit around the bridge of my nose, and then using a beauty blender, I'm just gonna buff the product wherever I have applied it. The side of beauty blender which I am using to blend my contour, I'm not going to use that same side for my highlighted areas. I'm going to use the clean part for my highlighted area for blending in that, and using the bouncing motion only I'm doing it. And just take care that you don't drag the product here and there. You just have to buff the product very well into the skin wherever you have applied it. Just make sure to do that correctly so that your face looks beautifully sculpted. And now I'm taking this pinkish shade concealer highlighter kind of thing from this Mars round contour kit, and I'm just applying that pinkish shade around my eyelid, around my eyelids, on my eyelids and under my eyes, so as to brighten the area furthermore. This tip is completely optional, but I just like to do this. After that, I'm just gonna set my makeup with very light layer of powder. This is Neon loose powder. It is in the shade Skin Beige, and it will just set my makeup nicely. After that, I'm using my very favorite eyebrow product, and this is Benefit's Goof Proof brow pencil. I am drawing out my eyebrows first because I do have very light eyebrows, so I do have to draw them up. She seemed to have very nice and arched kind of eyebrows, so I am just defining my eyebrows like that. Just be very light handed, just draw the shape properly, make sure that both eyebrows of your face are equal, because eyebrows actually frame your shape. You just need to work on your eyebrows properly. Then I'm using Kyshadow palette and a purple shade from it, and I'm just applying the purple shade on the transition line of my eyeshadow, because she seemed to have little hues of purple on her transition line of eyelids, so that's the reason I'm applying it. Also, you can mix in a little bit of brown for this purpose if you wish to. And then I am just applying a little bit of makeup fixing spray. This is Kiss Beauty Green Tea Makeup Fixer on my eyeshadow brush. Then taking one of my very favorite eyeshadow palettes from Swiss Beauty. It is iconic baked eyeshadow palette. It just gives the beautiful pigmentation, just the perfect pigmentation for all your party looks, and just it's just perfect, especially for Indian wedding looks and all. Just applying 2 to 3 times this so as to get an extremely intense pigmentation, and that's what I got. Also, I'm applying the same on the inner side of my eyes as well, that is my inner corners, and you can see how beautiful the pigmentation is. Then I'm gonna tightline my upper lash line, and for that I'm using this kajal. You can use just any kajal, and I really don't remember what kajal I am using for this part, but you just have to use any kajal. Okay, so after that, I'm also tightlining my lower waterline from the sides, lower waterline from the sides only, and not the full, because that's how Urvashi carried it. And then I'm applying my false eyelashes, and false eyelashes just made the look perfect. And after that, I am not able to see any proper eyeliner on Urvashi Rautela's eyes, but there is definitely a thin line going on, so I am applying Sketch eyeliner on my upper lash line, and I'm not gonna wing it out. I'm just gonna take it a little bit outward and then applying it on my lower side, and you can see how bigger it made my eyes, and also it just made my eyes look so beautiful. Then I applied my mascara as well. After that, I'm taking this beige shade again from Kyshadow palette, and I'm just applying it on my brow bones so that my brow bones looks little uplifted, neat and clean, and also my eyebrows look a little more defined. Then I'm taking very favorite ADS contour palette of mine, and I'm gonna take this shade first, which is perfect for contouring. Contouring shades have a little brown and grayish undertone, and your bronzer shades have little orangish and warmish brown undertone. So that's the difference. And I'm using the contour shade on the sides of my nose. The trick here is that just apply very little bit on the sides of bridge of your nose and then blend it with fingers. After that, I'm just drawing a very thin line of contour again using that contour shade, and that's the trick again. And then using a brush, I'm gonna blend it up, and this will give a very beautiful natural kind of bronzed look, which will not look as if you have applied your contour wrongly or anything. It will make your contour look very natural kind of, and very beautiful kind of. Then you can apply your bronzer a little bit on top of it as well. And also just I'm gonna apply a little bit of bronzer and contour powder on my jawline so I look sculpted, so that my face looks beautiful and sculpted. Also, I'm gonna apply a little bit on the sides of my forehead. And then for blush, I am just taking pinkish peachish kind of shade, and I'm applying it a little bit above my contour line. And then I'm taking this Swiss Beauty baked blush, which just gives beautiful glow. Swiss Beauty, this blush highlighter palette, and also that eyeshadow palette which I used, there is a review on my channel as well if you want to see that. Then taking the highlighter from the same palette, and this highlighter has silver color and golden undertones in it, golden shimmers in it, which just makes the face look so glowing. Then I've just applied a little bit of makeup fixer on my face and then let it dry. After that, I am taking this Makeup Revolution lip kit, and it's a gloss lip kit, and I'll write down the name of this in the description down there because I am not able to remember the name. I think it is original shade. Yes, 99% chances are there that it is original lip kit, gloss kit from Makeup Revolution. Just drawing out my lips first, like lip using the lip liner, and a little bit I'm taking it outwards so as to make my lips fuller and glossier, just like Urvashi had. And then for a lipstick I'm using this gloss only, which is original from Makeup Revolution, and it just gives a beautiful matte glossy finish, which I am a fan of, and I totally love this color. You can shop your Makeup Revolution products directly from their website, or you can shop from Nykaa or Amazon as well. And that is the completed look.
This is it for this video. I hope that you guys liked this look, and if in case you did so, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and stay connected. Follow me on my social media. Also you can buy some affordable makeup from my Instagram store. All links and details are down there in the description box below. Take care guys. I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Look gorgeous. Mwah.